हेलो बच्चों, आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हाइड्रोकार्बन्स। केमिस्ट्री में लास्ट चैप्टर है इनऑर्गेनिक का। पढ़ते हैं हाइड्रोकार्बन्स क्या होते हैं। बताएगा कोई मुझे हाइड्रोकार्बन क्या होते हैं?
Hydrocarbon is like hydro and carbon is react with each other, so it's making something that is hydrocarbon, I think.
या हाइड्रोकार्बन्स पढ़ते हैं तो ये डिवाइड होते हैं 3 टाइप्स में, एल्कीन एंड एल्काइन में। इनके जनरली फॉर्मूला होता है एक CnH2n+2 एंड एल्कीन का होता है CnH2n। देन एल्काइन पढ़ते हैं CnH2n-2। ऐसा अगर हमें कहीं भी स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है, जैसे कि यहाँ पे ले रहे हैं एग्जांपल में C2 देन H2 4, देन ये हम लोग लेंगे 6 C2H6, ये हो गया एल्कीन।
कैमरा के ऊपर नाम लिख जाते हैं ना।
कौन से अपलोड हो? अब मुझे इससे सेम इसी तरीके से एल्कीन और एल्काइन का बना के दिखाओ कॉपी में, फिर मैं चेक करता हूँ क्या समझ में आ रहा है जो भी मैं पढ़ाता हूँ।
एल्केन मीनिंग तो समझाओ, मीनिंग क्या है?
मीनिंग लाइक कोई भी कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड ना सिंगल बॉन्ड से कनेक्टेड होंगे। एल्केन ये होगा जिसमें अगर यहाँ पे 2 कार्बन प्रेजेंट हैं तो ये सिंगल बॉन्ड से कनेक्ट होंगे और इसमें 6 हाइड्रोजन जुड़ सकते हैं, 3 इसके पास 3 इसके पास, क्योंकि इसकी 4 वैलेंसी होती है। एक बॉन्ड से ही आपस में कनेक्ट है और इनकी 3 खाली हुए हैं तो यहाँ पे 3 हाइड्रोजन जुड़ जाएंगे। बेसिकली हम लोग इसे शो नहीं करते हैं, ऐसे नॉर्मली सी और सी से शो करते हैं, तो वो अंडर एस्टिमेट होता है कि यहाँ पे SCS3 जुड़ा होगा। कितने यहाँ पे और बड़ी चेन भी हो सकती है, तो यहाँ पे CS3 जुड़ जाएगा।
Okay, which is connected by the carbon and carbon with single bond, that can be called alkane.
Yeah.
And that means last name is N, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it can be, you can say CnH2n.
Yeah.
Okay,
+2.
2n+2, that is a formula,
एल्केन,
right?
ये एल्केन हो गया।
Okay.
सेम इसी तरीके से एल्केन में होता है, एल्केन का हम लोग देखते हैं। एल्केन में डबल बॉन्ड से कार्बन कार्बन कनेक्ट होता है। तो इसके बाद में इसकी 2 वैलेंसी बचती हुई हैं जिसमें ये 2 हाइड्रोजन से कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे C2, इसका एग्जांपल होगा C2 1 2 3 4 H4। फॉर्मूला वेरीफाई कर रहा है? तो ये एल्कीन हो गया। सेम इसी तरीके से अगर एल्काइन में देखते हैं, एल्काइन में हम लोग देखेंगे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड से कनेक्ट होंगे और एक एक हाइड्रोजन इनमें जुड़ा होगा, जो कि यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला से वेरीफाई करते हैं C2 और H2, 2 2 4 -2 देन 2। तो एल्केन एल्काइन एल्केन ऐसे होते हैं, मतलब आप इसे ऐसे देख सकते हैं। अभी आगे देखते हैं। अब हम लोग एल्केन को बनाते कैसे हैं, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एल्केन पढ़ते हैं इसके बाद में। प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एल्केन पढ़ते हैं फ्रॉम अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन।
What do you mean by unsaturated carbon?
जिसमें हाइड्रोजनेशन होता है ऑफ एल्कीन का, या फिर रिडक्शन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन। लाइक यहाँ पे हम लोग प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एल्कीन पढ़ेंगे तो एल्कीन का मतलब ये इस टाइप के हमें सिंगल बॉन्ड बनाना होगा तो ये सिंगल बॉन्ड या तो हम डबल बॉन्ड वाले कार्बन से बनाएंगे या फिर ट्रिपल वाले कार्बन से। रिडक्शन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन करना होगा इसमें हमें, ठीक है, या फिर हाइड्रोजनेशन ऑफ एल्कीन। एल्कीन का होगा तो एल्कीन देन एल्काइन, हाइड्रोजनेशन ऑफ एल्काइन, हाइड्रोजनेशन ऑफ एल्कीन।
ओके, जब हाइड्रोजनेशन होता है तो क्या होता है, हाइड्रोजन ऐड होता है कार्बन के साथ या रिडक्शन?
ऐड होगा।
अच्छा, जब हाइड्रोजनेशन होगा तो कार्बन के साथ हाइड्रोजन ऐड होता है।
हाँ।
अच्छा, और जब रिडक्शन होता है
तो रिमूव होता है।
तो रिमूव होता है।
हाँ।
ठीक है।
तो देन इसके बाद में अभी हम पढ़ते हैं, सपोज ये हमने ले लिया है, इससे हमको बनाना है एल्केन, बनाना है एल्केन, ठीक है। इसकी रिएक्शन अब हम करवाएंगे अपने H2O के साथ में और निकेल, प्लेटिनियम और पैडियम के साथ में इसकी रिएक्शन करवाएंगे। तो इस रिएक्शन, जब इसकी इसके साथ रिएक्शन करवाएंगे तो ये सीधे CH3 और CH3 बना देगा।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
तो
CH3।
so what is they are doing like nickel, platinum and palladium.
हाँ,
Okay, so what is doing this?
they react with this substance and form this compound, or they destroy this bond.
Okay, so what we will called for these
Reagent.
substance, these
Reagent.
reagent.
हाँ।
Reagent. Okay, so it have, they have any property, any kind of property?
Yeah,
So which kind of property they have?
they have
Yeah.
they have basically जो कि निकेल होता है, ये नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर से थोड़ा ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर पे रिएक्ट करेगा। मतलब बेसिकली इसे हीट जो होगी ना वो थोड़ी सी चाहिए होगी, और ये नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर पे रिएक्ट कर जाएंगे। नॉर्मली प्रॉपर्टी यही है, और कुछ नहीं है इसमें।
Okay, so in whole periodic table only these three substance
from
able to do this.
From, or like more, but from this, from when we have to form alkane, then these elements can be
You need
help or
to-
act as a reagent.
Okay, it is fixed.
Yeah.
Okay.
तो और बेसिकली अगर नॉर्मली,
So how we will ask in their questions in the your examination, your NEET examination?
examination like CH2 or double bond, then it forms CS3 or CS3, then name the reagent, which
Name the
reagent, or if there are right reagent, then form the reaction.
Okay,
Because
what will be the reaction?
if there are triple bond are present, then there are different compound to form. अगर if we take these element,
Okay.
then directly form this reaction.
Okay.
If the reagent will be changed here, then the reaction will be formed in double bond.
So after the change, what will be here? Act as a reagent.
I will explain later. Firstly,
Okay.
complete alkane, then
Okay.
Now tell me the answer.
I don't understand why R. What is the meaning of
This
R
is
here?
any group like related to carbon, like CH3 or C2H5, like this.
Okay. Okay. Here is CH double bond CS2.
Yeah.
So what will be is there?
Tell me. Don't understand.
You told me it's make same CS3 single bond CS3 or like alkane. Anything here become, but it will be fixed. It will be
From
alkane.
alkane, yeah.
Alkane.
But in their condition are different. Like a CS2 double bond CS2.
Okay.
And there's CH double bond with CH2 and one bond. Carbon have 4 valency. This
Okay.
one and one hydrogen. Then when it react with this, then it form R group as it is, and CH2 double bond CH3. Basically one hydrogen at both side where double bond is present. Normally this is concept.
Okay, double bond present and okay, double bond present. Okay.
Now second question is, now what is the answer?
Here react agent is nickel.
Like they three are the reagent.
Okay, it
If
can
we
be take one or
plain
two.
nickel, yeah, like this.
Okay. So as to in their CH2 double bond CH2 it will make.
But here two bonds are destroyed. Like matlab, when their two bonds are break, then it form a single bond, no? So here will we add C two hydrogens. Matlab, one is there and two more hydrogen. Then it form CH3, then CH3. Or if we add two hydrogen, like if we had if we write here two hydrogen, then CH2 double single bond single CH2. We have to make
Not
only single.
not balanced.
Yeah, because carbon have four valency, then we have to one more hydrogen, then it forms CH3
So
CH3.
you why not try it not there? We only add on H2. Why not to H4?
Where? Yeah.
Yes, and they needed a hydrogen 4.
No. तो एटमॉस्फेयर में प्रेजेंट है बेसिकली, जितनी चाहिए होगी उतनी ले लेगा वो.
Okay, and they not need to write how much
how
amount.
many hydrogens are
Okay, okay.
take from this, and now this concept is clear. अभी
So in there nothing is, it will be a group of group and R group and CS3
there
single bond.
CH3 single bond, then
CS3 अगर करते हैं 3 1 4 1 5 हो जाते हैं, उसके पास नहीं होगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 2 2 3 1 4 गलत लिख रहे हैं ना फिर आपने.
1 2 1 2 3 4. ना इट्स राइट.
ना इट्स राइट ना.
या
तो हम लोग 2 और 1 3 1 4 2 3 1 4. ठीक है, एंड हम लोग अगर यहाँ से सिंगल बॉन्ड लेते हैं तो एक दो और दो चार. Okay, it make R group and CS2 and single bond CS2 single bond R group.
Okay, this one.
And this one is make CH and 1 2 3. How it happen? How it happened? CS2 in there nearby. Okay, 1 2 to 4, 2 to 4. Okay, so in there okay, it will be R group CS3.
See here.
Not here CS3.
Write CS3 here.
Not CS3. R group CH2 and also single bond and again it will be CH2. CH2 and single bond CS3.
What do you understand from this line?
Alkyl is more faster. Alkene is more faster than alkene. Alkene लिखो ना, alkene यहाँ पे.
Alkene.
Alkyne.
When we have to form this.
Okay.
From this and from this. So we have to write this one and this one. Alkyne, alkene, not alkane.
Okay. But alkyne is more faster than alkene. But
when we have formed like triple C.
Okay, but alkane is less than slow or alkene or alkyne.
What? Alkyne.
Slow do like change in our
C triple bond C. One hydrogen. Then the substance is formed like CS3, okay, and CS2 double bond CS2. Here react as nickel and H2 and nickel. Then it will form CS3. Both compound are formed same, but this reaction is take
more time.
Minimum time. Alkyne is more faster than alkene. Alkene is take more time than alkyne.
Okay, I understand because double bond is like not break very easily, and triple bond is break very easily, so that we take in there little time.
No, you are saying like they bond are okay.
Break easily.
Okay. But in this first form this, then form single bond, not directly to form single bond. Remember this thing?
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है? Then from symmetrical object, do you understand meaning of symmetrical object or symmetry?
I know symmetry.
Hear about? Yeah, tell me.
Symmetry, that means you want to say symmetry. Symmetry, that means like it's a difference like same of anything. It's make be symmetry.
Symmetry means like two similar object. Yeah, if
one object
we have to cut,
symmetry,
then it form a similar object like this. So this object is similar or not? If in
it's
this benzene,
not similar, we cannot say similar. We cannot say similar.
Similar like different. Here about
symmetry is like symmetry. If you cut the apple, then
it cut into two equal parts and same with same shape.
Same shape, then we can say
it has symmetry.
It have symmetry.
So this figure have symmetry or not?
How we find out symmetry?
this one, these things.
CH3 तीन चार तीन चार. How is have 5? Oh yeah.
This object is symmetrical or not? When we cut about this axis, then it is symmetrical object.
Okay, it will be symmetrical.
Yeah, because C has 3 in upper side and C has 3 downside. When this bond is break, one electron move to here and one electron move to here.
Okay.
Then it object is symmetrical. When it react H2 or nickel, palladium or yeah.
Also, why you write CS3 and CS3? It also only you take benzene. It's also cut in two parts, so it will be also in symmetrical form.
But when we let me explain after this. When it react to this, then break this double bond.
Okay.
And here hydrogen is how many hydrogen is present? 1, 2, 3, 4. No hydrogen is present because 4 bonds are formed.
Okay.
1 double bond, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
There only carbon is present, no hydrogen here and here. When it react with this, then it look like this. CH3, CH3 and one hydrogen is present. This hydrogen present like below the plane and CH3 above the plane. Like this symbol is represent dash wedge and this one is dash. But like below the plane. We have to explain from like this one. And then CH3 is like this. CH3 present here and hydrogen represent below the board, behind the board. Then when this bond is broken, then it forms this one compound. Okay? And this is also symmetrical.
Okay.
And when any object is symmetrical, then it is optically active. Optically active.
That means
you don't understand. Optically active means like is there any chiral carbon? Chiral carbon, like carbon have 4 valency. All 4 bonds are attached to different groups.
Okay.
That is known as chiral carbon. If chiral carbon is present in this compound, then it is optically active.
Again.
Chiral carbon is known as where all 4 valencies are attached to different groups. When this chiral carbon present in this, then it is optically active.
Okay.
And when if it is optically active, and here 2 chiral carbon.
Okay.
One is there, then it is known as meso compound or mesoisomers. Or mesoisomers is known as where 2 chiral carbon or that compound is optically active. That is known as meso compound. Okay.
So in your examination, it is also in there. How is asked in their question?
From symmetrical object, because this is symmetrical object, then from symmetrical object like a compound from a compound form that is meso compound or optical, which they have optically active and chiral carbon. Like when from this compound form this compound, then it will be meso compound or optically active. It have chiral carbon like this.
Okay, it's have 4 statement and which is not
have
this property.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is known as from symmetrical object we have studied here. Now we have studied from unsymmetrical object, unsymmetrical alkene. this compound is not optically active. No, symmetrical, because here is present phenol. Phenol, like this one is benzene. You have to write in short form PH. Not phenol, PH is known as benzene in short form. Okay. And here we have to write C2H5. Okay. When it react with H2 and nickel, then it form PH. This is when hydrogen bond is broken, then one hydrogen move to this carbon and one hydrogen move to this carbon. Okay, so that is same. This is same. When we have to write with hydrogen here or attached to here, this is known as something, but I don't remember right now.
Now their hydrogen in their carbon.
What?
You have to write in both two points.
Here and here.
Here and here.
Why I don't write these hydrogen here?
No, carbon here.
Carbon here. Why I don't write carbon here?
No. I understand. In their carbon present or not?
Yeah, absolutely.
Carbon present. Then 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Carbon present.
Carbon is present and all 4 groups are different. Then it is optically active.
It is optically active but not symmetrical.
Yeah. But when it not symmetrical, then it is known as like when we have to from this object form another object, yeah, rotate this. Then when the another substance is formed from this, then that is non-superimposable. Non-superimposable means like if we have configuration like here R and R, not R and S, okay? And another substance like same like this, here S and R, just opposite.
Okay.
Configuration just opposite. Then it is known as enantiomers. When two compound have just opposite configuration, that is known as enantiomers. Okay. So here the question is formed like this: from when from alkene, when from alkene form alkane from the unsaturated alkene. When we have to form alkene from unsaturated alkene, then the object is like enantiomers and diastereomers, identical, like this. So here this question is like formed. Okay? And now first topic is complete. First topic from firstly हम लोग from unsaturated hydrogen complete. Now from second types, from alkyl aldehyde.
It's a properties. It's going properties of alkane.
Preparation of alkane.
Preparation.
Firstly, we have studied from unsaturated hydrocarbons, and from second alkyl halides. RX means R here, R any group like C2H5 और CH3 and X is chlorine, fluorine, all halogens family. ठीक है?
Okay, that's why we are called halide.
Iodine and in this
right here halide family all, so that students understand. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine.
Yeah.
Okay. Chlorine, atomic number also need in there. So right also fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, atomic number. Bromine, I think 18. Bromine 35 and fluorine 9, bromine 35, iodine 53 and